Yo, first order of the day is a McDonald's, $6.75 going less than 3 miles. Or not. They just canceled the order on me. I guess that was kind of a good thing though, because I just realized there's peak pay right now. So in reality, that order was $4.75 going 3 miles. Actual first order of the day is for Black Rock Coffee, $9.75 going like 4 miles. Ooh, that's a lot of cars. That's a lot of cars. Thank you. Next order is a Voodoo order, $8 and some change going just under 6 miles. Ooh, but I just got this Jack in the Box order, $12 for 2 orders, less than 5 miles. But that Jack in the Box is really slow. Oh, that's a tough one. I think I'm gonna stick with the Voodoo.
There's that. Sorry about that. Wait.
Thank you.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Of course, their gate code didn't work. Luckily, I snuck in behind someone else. Next order up is a Starbucks, $6.75 going 3 miles. Hand it to customer. Say, this is for Amanda. Nacho Libre sent you this. Maybe scream it, LOL. Yeah, we're not gonna do any of that for a $3 tip. It's the thought that counts though.
See here. Okay.
Good for me.
Thanks, man.
Yep, have a good one. It's actually a $4 tip. Maybe I should have gone the extra mile to make myself look like a clown. Next order up, another Black Rock Coffee. I believe it said $9 and some change going like 3 miles. Bro, how are there so many cars here? Look.
Alrighty, my friend. Is that? Drive safe. Have a good day.
You too. This is not looking like an easy drop off either. This order was not worth it whatsoever. I got all the red lights on the way here. There are cars almost out to the street in the drive-through line. Yeah, I've been here before and I got very lost. Hopefully their pin on the map is actually where it's dropping off. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you so much.
Got it?
Yep. You have a happy Friday.
You too, thank you. Drop off wasn't too bad. Still wasn't worth it though. Just got the Subway order, $10 and some change going like 6 miles.
What's the name?
All right, next up is a shop and deliver for PetSmart, $17.25 going just under 6 miles. Looking at the items, it looks like I'm shopping for some sort of reptile. Three of these. Wait, I just realized that was almost $150 worth of stuff. That was expensive. Next order up is a shop and deliver for some alcohol, $12.75 going 7 miles. Only one item.
yesterday. It's all ready for your red card.
Oh, thank you. That was quick. I like it. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. There you are. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Next order just came in. It's a McDonald's, $7.75 going under 3 miles. Thank you. Next order came in right away. It is for Presso coffee, $8 and some change going about 4 miles. That took way too long. Next order just came in. Popeyes, $7.25 going 1.5 miles. Thank you. You too. All right, next up, I've got a stacked order, Pita Pit and 7-Eleven. Thank you. So part of the order is for some cold medicine and it's labeling it as alcohol. Hopefully it doesn't make me scan their ID since obviously they are sick. Hello. All right, I let the customer know about the issue and they're being cool about it. They said they'll leave their ID outside. Real one is not these. Oh my God, I'm not even here. Alright, I'm getting spammed with orders now, but they're all terrible. I think I just might call it for the day. Current time is 11:49. Current total is 106. And I have one Uber tip yet to come in. Should put me just above 110 for the day. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.